All right, another thing that is a trick is we were able to look at the number of posts and also the date in terms of years, but you can see it is quite hard to identify which language is which, because there is this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. There is this and this and this, and there is this one which is almost lying down. So we need to make a key somewhere here that we give them the colors. Each line, like this one is Python, we give a blue and we say Python like that. It's black, gray, we give that line for gray and we give it a JavaScript like that. So that is another task that we can do. So how can we do that really? All right, let me explain it a bit. Now, when you look at here, it's like we need legend, and for legend, it is known. It is found in. It is like some inbuilt. Where when you call legend, it knows what to do in data science. So it is a. It is like a a box. Legend is like a box, but inside the box we have some information. For ours it will be line and color, which represent which program language. So let me see. Let me comment this. And then we say we need to label that line, and also we need to make that line a particular thick. We thicken it a bit so that it can be seen clearly, and then we assign it the name in which that line and color, that line with a particular color represents a particular programming language, and it is going to be located somewhere here, right? So let's do it in the next shot.